Chrislyn, she is the #1 female volunteer in all of the Kites Elite in all of Estonia. You have right here in Norfolk County. Now, the adjutant, the commanding general of the Kites Elite is Melis Kili. And he said that your district, sir, is the #1 in Estonia in Norfolk County. And he told us that actually just yesterday. And see, you have a lot to be proud of right here in your county. So I guess in the spirit of Women's Day and the spirit of what you all bring to the table, you can make a presentation.
Absolutely. So we want to present you also a copy. And I'm sorry, Joe, if you do want a copy. Okay, there we go. So it's Moments of Choice. And obviously there's a reason why I call it Moments of Choice, because we all make choices, sometimes good, sometimes bad. But we have to live with those choices regardless. We should take responsibility for this. I want to thank you. And I'm also going to give you a point. So I'll talk a little bit about the point. And actually, if you came to Maryland, you would have already, the team would have already heard about the point, right? So we gave out points to all the dancers that were here. We have what we call the Minuteman, which is the representation for the Guard, the National Guard in whole, and that stands all the way back to the militia times. And when I came in and I told the team that I wanted a coin design, because every commander is supposed to design a coin. These are challenge coins, so coins of excellence. And I like to present them, especially when I'm in other places, I present them a little differently than I do for the troops. It's using the troops as a sign of excellence, a sign of encouragement, and for them to really continue to do what they need to be able to do. But when I present it to students, it's for them to achieve what they need to be able to achieve. But more importantly is, I did not, I felt like the Minuteman didn't represent the force that we have today. That force being that it is, it's multicultural, it's multi-gender, it stands for so much more. And when you look at a total force, like in Maryland, I have males, females, I have different nationalities within my force. And that's what makes it strong, that's what makes it important. And I also have different capabilities and different thought leaders. And they all approach things from different perspectives. And so it's that which makes up, to me, an excellent organization. And I tell my folks all the time that diversity is more than just a gender. It's diversity of thought, diversity of people, and diversity of capability. And you can apply that to an individual or an organization. And so that's what's on the front of my coin. There's a Minute Woman, I would say, on the front of the coin, standing shoulder to shoulder with the male, because that is how we support each other. And that stands for community. And you could use this to represent everything that you stand for. But on the back, I have diversity, integrity, transparency, and trust. And that's really what we should kind of enact for each other. And then the Relentless 6 is just my call sign, because I am relentless. It sounded better than like Cobra 6 or something like that. I didn't want people to think I was like a snake trying to come out and get you, whatever. But I am relentless, and I like this because you need to be relentless in your pursuit. You need to be relentless in your pursuit. And that's the way that we get to excellence, right? And so you need to be relentless in your pursuit. And you need to continue to be relentless in your pursuit. And that's what makes us strong. So thank you.
Okay, so when she pointed to Alo Osma, now when I first met him, he was the one taking the pictures. So look at him, he went on to become member of council, mayor for a while, and now county governor, so he's on his way somewhere. But one final comment, so my favorite folk dance, my favorite dance last summer was Peter Polka. So if you ever did that, that's the one I like. But thank you very much. I'm glad we had the opportunity to come here. We were actually invited by Mayor Mihalkis last year. And so this was trying to have the opportunity to come here. It's not so easy when you have a tight schedule, but I'm glad you were so gracious to host us. And hopefully we can come back again sometime and do something, continue to do good things. So thank you very much. I think now